Look, swim, Ajaya. Look, swim, swim, swim.
What to do on a rainy day? The cheap equivalent of an aquarium. I never considered going to a pet store, but I guess it makes sense on a rainy day to entertain a 2-year-old.
You know you can touch them.
Do you like this place, Rumi? What is that?
I'm getting chocolate here.
You like the turtles, Rumi? Only $600. Oh my gosh.
What do you think it was?
I don't know, 60? There's a rabbit in there. Ferrets are $500. I guess I'm out of touch how much pets cost, huh? So cute. A sale on ferrets. Ferrets are on sale, $100 off. It's a beautiful bird. Oh no, she figured out you could touch them? Play at your own risk, huh? You like that bird, Rumi? How much do you think this one is?
Looks very exotic.
Financing a pet doesn't seem like a good idea, huh? All right, the aquarium adventure begins. Look at those fish. What do you think of this place, Rumi? Oh wow, whole nother side to this store. These are the fish like in the Aquarium Blue. There's so many fish here. She can't handle all this, huh? Turtles, what else do you see? Look at this guy trying to get out, huh? Turtle, $250. Bearded dragon, $130. Strawberry Pac-Man frog. All kinds of aquatic plants for sale as well. I like these ones. So I lost them in the maze of aquariums. And there's a lot of families here. They have the same idea, I guess, on this rainy day. Donuts for dogs.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. What's in there? Oh my gosh. Babies?
I don't know, they're just like...
These babies.
Yeah, this is baby.
Yeah. These dog treats look better than some human foods. Look at these patriotic pretzels, American stars. And even burger sliders. Sloth cookies. Taco Tuesday. Even dogs like argan oil. You can wash your dog here, self-service.
Kuchasi, tako. Kuchasi. Nego pa doon, ne? Kasi nogi ko.
Healthy dog water. Really, what else to do today? I think I found the most expensive dog food here. $105 for 20 pounds, 9 kilos. Chicken au fromage recipe. These dogs are spoiled, I tell you that. It's like Chef Shawan, but free. Oh, he's gonna get you, Rumi. Are you happy here, Rumi?
O ty je? Weź kurwa.
The toys are beautiful. I think they make them for people to buy even more than the animals. Interesting job. Ferrets have a diverse palate and lots of ways to lounge and play. The assassin snail.
Shop's closed, brother. Not only that, but
This is my favorite, is corals. Some of these fish, over $100. Bearded dragon, not for sale yet.
Dragon, not for sale. Come see this one. This one is very active.
You like that, Rumi? Bearded dragon? Poor guy wants to get out, huh? Maybe he's hungry, like me. For our reptile friends, plenty of food. So many things here. That's a terrifying turtle in there. One of Rumi's favorite here. Koi. This store is just huge. Now in the filter's not as fun for Rumi. Thought I recognize these as squid bones.
my arm is slightly hairy too. It's basically the same size as the ferret. So sometimes they'll like bite and scratch my arm and stuff. They'll lick it too because they think it's like another ferret.
Ah, okay.
And it's funny, you'll notice about how you recommend something like this. It's a bit easier since that way they do have some cost.
Poor rats get hidden underneath here.
These are cute though. And they love to run on the wheel.
Careful. Friendly ferrets. They have ferret hammocks here and little octopuses to hide in. Just seems excessive, all these different flavors for dogs. Do they really care? Yuck. Yeah, it's a beautiful tarantula. $200 for him. Chameleon, only $120. That's my favorite tarantula. Poor turtle, Rumi. He's upside down. What do you see, Rumi?
Eel.
It's kind of like an eel, huh?
Look, swim, Ajaya. Look, swim, swim, swim.
Call her.
Mama, swim, swim,
What?
swim.
Shrimp! You found shrimp!
Junior bacon cheeseburger, it's good. 1 cent today, because it's cheeseburger week. Hope you liked our aquarium adventure. An excellent idea to do on a rainy day or to experience fish or animals without having to pay for a zoo or aquarium. Here I am training, getting ready for whatever is next in this life. So if you made it to this point, definitely subscribe, like, and we will see you in the next video.